So you want to get to 500 subscribers on YouTube quick? Well, I just did that in less than 90 days. I'm going to walk through the 3 things I think will really help you get to 500 subscribers really quick. What's going on, everybody? My name is Monty Weaver, and I'm a digital strategist helping you learn about digital technology and social media. That way you can take your business and your nonprofit to the next level. In this video, I want to talk about how I was able to quickly get to 500 YouTube subscribers. Now, if you're looking at this video, chances are you've come across some other videos before. So some of this information might be new to you, but some of this information might be what you heard already. So the information that's the same, definitely take that information and use it for your YouTube strategy going forward. Now, if I have something different for you, then definitely pay attention, because there's a specific way that I actually did it to quickly get to 500 YouTube subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to the channel right now, make sure you subscribe. That's one strategy right there, is making sure you tell people to subscribe to your channel. Anytime you get people that are brand new to your page, brand new to your channel, you want to just remind them that they can subscribe. How many times have you watched a YouTube video, had a whole bunch of information being delivered to you or taught to you, but you didn't subscribe to the channel? One reason why you probably didn't is because no one said to. So make sure you tell people that come to your page somewhere in your video to subscribe to the channel, and encourage them to leave comments below the video. So if I'm talking about anything that maybe you have a question about, I encourage all of my viewers to leave a comment. Do you have a question about what I'm talking about when it comes to getting 500 subscribers quick on YouTube? So leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll check those out after the video. The second thing you can really do to get to 500 subscribers real quick is to look at what's being searched. Right now, the whole COVID-19 coronavirus thing is a big topic, and a lot of people are at home spending more hours on YouTube. So that means now is the perfect time to create a channel, to grow a channel, to really focus in on your YouTube channel. And the way you can grow to 500 really quick is to look at what people are searching for on YouTube, okay? One platform that I really love is called Keywords Anywhere. Once you install this plugin onto your computer, it allows you to look at the search volume that's going on, not only on YouTube, but other websites just like Google in general. But on YouTube, when you type in a search, you can see how many people are looking for that term. So you want to create your videos based around what people are actually looking for. I always tell people, don't get too creative with your titles. Don't get too creative with your descriptions. Use what people are telling you to use. Use titles of things that people are already searching for, and that'll help your videos get found even that much quicker. Now, the third strategy is to piggyback videos that are doing really well. One thing that you might want to do is look at the top 3 YouTubers in your specific area. Other people that are doing videos similar to the types of videos that you plan on doing. And once you find those 3 people, find the videos that are really performing well for them. And then you want to piggyback off of their videos. That doesn't mean copying the name, copying the thumbnails, copying the tags. It actually means you're leveraging the information off of that video to help you curate your video better. So if they're talking about a subject that's getting 100,000 views, you might want to talk about that exact same subject as well. And what's going to happen is you can get found in the suggested YouTube search. One thing that is almost hard to do is get on the front page of YouTube search. If you're on mobile device, it's even harder, because the amount of real estate on the front page of YouTube is very small. Not too often are people going to scroll until they get to your video. What's going to happen is they're going to find a video on that front page, click on it, watch that video, and then they're going to get prompted with suggested videos. That's where you want to be. As a small YouTuber, don't try to fight for that premium real estate. Work towards getting on suggested videos. Now, I'm going to do a free class, an hour long, on the strategies and break them down, what I've been using, the free ways to get subscribers fast on YouTube. There's going to be a link below this video. I encourage you to watch that video. It's going to be like an hour long. watch the video. I break down all these strategies that I've been able to use to get to 500 subscribers real quick. But the catch is, I've actually gone over 1,000 subscribers. By the time I actually got to sit down and record this video, I've already crossed over 1,000 subscribers just a couple days later. All because of using the piggyback strategy and also because of using the correct titles in my YouTube video. So I hope you guys got some value from this. If you're a small YouTuber, there is hope. I promise you, you can do this. All you need to know is the strategies that will help your videos get seen, and then create your videos around content that people are actually looking for. My name is Monty Weaver. If you haven't yet, subscribe, hit the bell, turn on the notifications, and let me know what questions you have about getting started on YouTube.